What if tomorrow morning you walked into a grocery store and the doors were locked? Not for one store, not for one city, but everywhere. Modern life feels full, shelves packed, fridges stocked, food always available. But this abundance is an illusion. Most grocery stores don't store weeks of food, they store days. Fresh deliveries arrive constantly. Trucks refill shelves overnight. Warehouses move food without stopping. This system works perfectly, as long as it never stops. This is not a prediction. This is a thought experiment. What would really happen if grocery stores closed for just 7 days, everywhere? At first, people don't believe it. A rumor, a mistake, a temporary issue. Some think stores will reopen tomorrow. Others assume it's local. There is no panic yet, just confusion. People check their phones. They read short headlines. They wait. Because grocery stores don't close. They're always there. Until they're not. By the first full day, reality becomes clear. Every grocery store is closed. No fresh deliveries. No restocking. Convenience stores follow. Small markets shut their doors. Restaurants close within hours. No ingredients, no supply. People look at what they already have. Fridges, freezers, cupboards. Some feel calm, others feel uneasy. Everyone starts counting. On day 2, food is no longer routine. Meals become smaller. Choices disappear. People stop eating what they want. They eat what they can save. Fresh food is used first. Milk, bread, vegetables. Families start rationing quietly. No panic, just planning. Food is no longer comfort. It's strategy. By day 3, daily life feels different. Lunch breaks disappear. Coffee shops are closed. Workplaces send people home early. Schools suspend classes, not from fear, but from logistics. Without food supply, normal schedules don't work. People stop gathering, not because they're told to, but because there's no reason to. Day 4 is when the emotional change happens. Food anxiety grows quietly. People think less about news and more about tomorrow's meals. Parents worry about children. Elderly people struggle the most. Those who live alone feel isolated. Those who share feel tension. Food affects mood. Energy drops. Focus fades. The city feels slower, heavier. By day 5, emergency systems respond. Local authorities open food distribution points, limited supplies, long lines. Aid organizations step in. Not enough for everyone, but something. Hospitals protect patients first. Care homes receive priority. This isn't collapse, it's strain, a system stretched thin by something very basic. On day 6, cities feel unfamiliar. Traffic is lighter. Streets are quieter. People stay indoors to conserve energy. Conversations revolve around food, not money, not work, food. Trust changes too. People don't trust availability anymore. They trust what's in their hands. The idea of normal feels distant. By the 7th day, one thing is clear. 7 days isn't long, but it's long enough. Enough to expose how close modern life lives to the edge. Some households manage, others struggle deeply. No violence is required, no chaos is necessary. The stress comes from absence, from realizing how dependent we are on something we never questioned. When grocery stores reopen, nothing looks the same. People don't rush joyfully, they move carefully. Shelves refill slowly, limits remain. Trust doesn't return immediately. People buy differently, store differently, think differently. The question lingers, what if it happens again? Grocery stores are not just shops, they are the front line of modern civilization. They hide complexity behind convenience, and when they close, we see the truth. Society doesn't break loudly, it runs out quietly. This video is a hypothetical thought experiment created for educational and documentary purposes only. It does not predict real events or claim that such a scenario will occur. The purpose is to explore how modern systems function and how dependent everyday life is on continuous supply.